Okay, today's topic is area and volume, and I am going to explain you, okay, how to find the area and volume of the given figures. Okay, first we are talking about area only. Okay, I'm explaining about area only, okay. Okay, first one, you can note down area of rectangle. Okay, children. This is the figure of rectangle where length and breadth will be of different size. If length and breadth given, then look here, one angle will be 90 degree. And when you find the area of rectangle, we have to use the length and breadth. Area of rectangle equals to L into B, length into breadth. And when you find the perimeter, perimeter means we have to add this all length and breadth, no? And that it should be 2 times L plus B. Okay, children? And similarly, for this one, look here, one example is here. If length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter, and if it asks to find area and the perimeter, in such case, we have to find area of rectangle ABCD equals to L into B. That means length into breadth. The 70 centimeters square will be the answer because 10 into 7. And when you find the perimeter of rectangle, 2 times L plus B. 2 times L plus B means 10 plus 7 is 2 times, then 2 into 17. That means 34 centimeter.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning. You understood how to find the area and perimeter of the rectangle? This one you understood? Eju, have you understood? Now look, I am going to explain about area of a square. Square shape will be like this, and let L be the length, and okay, its breadth also will be the same. Length and breadth are equal. That's why we have here length only. Then area of a square ABC equals L square. L square means length into length. When you multiply length by length, you will get area of the square. Perimeter of the square means L plus L plus L plus L. That means 4 times length. Okay, here is given one example. How to find the area of this square and perimeter also. L square means here now 9 square. 9 square means 81 centimeter square. And if it is asked to find perimeter here, perimeter of the square equals to 4L. 4 times, okay, 9. 4 into 9. That means 36 centimeter. And you will get the perimeter of this square. Okay, children? Here is given parallelogram. This quadrilateral is known as parallelogram because its opposite sides are parallel. AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. In such case, we find area by using the base and height. Okay, height means this perpendicular. Okay, this PQ is perpendicular to CD. CD is the base and height is this PQ. Okay, in such case, its area of the parallelogram is base into height. As it will, base is CD and height is PQ. Okay, children. This figure may be given like this also. And here base will be AD and height will be PQ. Okay. For the figure to look there, area parallelogram ABC is equal to base into height. Base is AD and height is PQ. Base into height is the area of the parallelogram. Okay. Understood, children? When we multiply the base and height, we get the area of the parallelogram. Now I am moving to the next slide. Here is given the example. Look here, how to find out the area of this given parallelogram. Okay, here is given base AD is 15.5 centimeter, height PQ is 7 centimeter. When you find the area of this parallelogram, okay, children, my sound is coming there. Here base is AD, height is PQ. Then use the formula of the parallelogram. That is area parallelogram equals to base into height, and multiply this base and height, and you'll get 73.5 centimeters square. This is the method to find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, children? Next one, look there. This is the area of the triangle. When you find the area of the triangle, at that time we have to do half into base into height. Okay, look, what is base? Here in this triangle, base is CB or BC, you can tell, and height is perpendicular, this AP. Area of the triangle equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. Base is BC here, into height is AP. And in this triangle, look here, base is AB and height is CP. Okay, you must be clear about it, which one is base and which one is the height. Height will be always perpendicular. Okay, and where that the height is perpendicular, that line is known as base. Here 1 by 2 AB into CP. And in this figure, look here, base is AC and height is PB. Okay. Here base is AC and height is PB. Okay. Now look here, let's do one question related to this one. This right angle triangle. Right angle triangle also there is base and height, okay? 1/2 base into height, and we'll get the area of this right angle triangle. Look, here's given example. When you find the area of this triangle, first one, here's given base AC and height is PB. 1/2 10 into 8, and you will get 40 centimeters square. Similarly, for the second figure, base is MN. You can take base MN also this side, or you can use base this uh, NO also, okay? Your choice. Because there is not given reference angle. Right angle triangle, you can take any one base and one height here, but hypotenuse will be fixed. Right, this right angle's opposite side is the hypotenuse, okay? Longest side is the hypotenuse, as you have studied in optional math also. 1/2 NO into MN. If you calculate, then you will get the area of this right angle triangle, 6 centimeters square. Okay, Nandini? Understood how to find out area of this triangle? Hello, Nandini, are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please show the response, okay? Shivani, have you understood these two questions? One, how to find the area
Yes,
of this?
sir.
Okay, good. Now, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all three sides will be equal in length. That length is taken here A. Then when you find the area of this equilateral triangle, we have to use this formula: A square to 3/4 into A square. A square means this side is square, okay? A means this side, okay? Equal side one. Look here, I am going to show you one example. Here is A. A means side is given 6 centimeter. Area of triangle equals to square 3/4 A square. That means square 3/4 into 6 square. 4 9 are 36. The 9 is square root 3 centimeter square is the area of this equilateral triangle. Okay, Meghna? You understood how to find the area of this equilateral triangle?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm moving to the next slide. Area of rhombus. Rhombus is the parallelogram having all the sides equal, okay? This is a parallelogram having all the sides equal, okay? In rhombus, there will be given diagonals one. One diagonal you take G1, and the diagonal you take G2, okay? And its area will be 1/2 means half, half multiplied by D1 into D2. Product of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2 and divide by 2. That will be the area of the rhombus. Okay, children? Now I am moving to the next one. It's example, okay? How to find the area? It's one diagonal is 10 centimeter and the diagonal is 6 centimeter. We have to find out area of rhombus equals to 1/2 D1 into D2. 10 into 6, its half is 30 centimeter square. Okay, children? Are you clear? How to find the area of the
Yes,
rhombus?
sir.
Good. I am going to show next one. This is a kite. There are two diagonals. One diagonal is longer and there is shorter one. Okay, there are two diagonals. Its area also same as rhombus. Okay, area of the kite is also 1/2 means half multiplied by d1 into d2. D1 means one diagonal, d2 means another diagonal. Here area of trapezium is also quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, these two sides will be parallel. That quadrilateral, which has two sides parallel, that means one pair of sides are parallel, is known as trapezium. When you find the area, These parallel sides are taken as B1 and B2. Eh? One parallel side B1 and the parallel side take B2, and this perpendicular is the height one. A is height. In such case, we have to find out its area by using this formula: 1 by 2 into h means height, and multiply by B1 plus B2, sum of the parallel sides. Okay, children, this is the formula to find out the area of the trapezium. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now area of quadrilateral look there. Quadrilateral means the plane figure bounded by 4 line segments, and there will be given one diagonal and two perpendiculars will be there. And in such case, we have to find out area of quadrilateral by using this formula: 1 by 2 into diagonal. Diagonal means AC here. P1, you can take one perpendicular P1 and the perpendicular P2. DF, if you take P1, BE will be P2. Okay, children? How to find the area of quadrilateral, you understood? Hello, student, have you understood how to find the area of the quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Good. 1 by 2 multiplied by diagonal, and P1 means one perpendicular, P2 means another perpendicular. Okay? If you use this formula, then you can find out the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, children? Now look here, I am going to show you next one. Here. First one is area of quadrilateral, we have to use here. Second one, we have to use here area of trapezium. And third one is here area of triangle. Understood?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. First figure, we have to find out the area of quadrilateral. Second one is area of trapezium, and third one is area of triangle. Okay, student?